Welcome to Relaxed Gardens, where small spaces bloom into magical escapes. In today's video, we're bringing you into a storybook world of garden stone art. Ideas that whisper nostalgia, peace, and creativity. Whether you're working with a petite patio, a cozy corner, or a winding path, these simple stone projects will transform your space into something truly enchanting. Get ready to discover 7 charming ideas to add a touch of art, history, and whimsy to your outdoor haven, all with the natural beauty of stone. Let's begin with hand-painted stepping stones, a magical way to guide guests through your garden. Using river rocks or smooth concrete circles, you can paint delicate floral patterns, insects, or even short quotes. Each stone becomes a moment of discovery, like turning a page in a storybook. Use soft colors and waterproof paint to ensure they last through every season. Line them through a patch of lavender or lead them toward a secret bench. The choice is yours. Want a border that adds both charm and personality? Try creating mosaic rock edges using broken tiles and pebbles. Simply line your flower beds with a base of mortar or compact soil and press colorful fragments into a pattern. The result is an artistic edge that catches light and tells a story. No two borders are ever the same. It's a lovely way to reuse ceramic leftovers or stones from past walks. For a truly whimsical touch, build small stone totems or sculptures. Stack smooth rocks into balanced towers, or glue found stones together to create animals, faces, or fantasy creatures. These pieces can be tucked between shrubs or placed beside a bench, like tiny guardians of your garden. They're perfect for storytelling, sparking curiosity in kids and adults alike. A mosaic bench made from recycled materials is not just a place to sit. It becomes a garden centerpiece. You can upcycle an old wooden bench by covering the surface with tiny ceramic pieces, glass, or polished pebbles. Add curves, spirals, or floral designs to reflect your garden's personality. These benches invite quiet moments and make the perfect backdrop for reading, sipping tea, or simply watching the wind move through the leaves. Lastly, one of the easiest and most rewarding stone art projects, Mosaic stepping stones. Use cement stepping stone molds or trays and embed old ceramics, plates, cups, or tiles into the surface while wet. Once dried, place them through grass or mulch to create a path that feels like walking through a handcrafted story. It's art beneath your feet, unique, personal, and incredibly satisfying to create. We hope these stone art ideas brought a touch of storybook magic to your garden dreams. Remember, beauty can be found in the simplest materials, and creativity often lives in the quiet corners of our outdoor spaces. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Relaxed Gardens for more peaceful garden inspirations every week. See you in the next one.